In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And you can do this before you go ahead and make a new, set up your new phone. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, click on your name at the very top, and then go over to iCloud, which is the fifth option. Go over to Save to iCloud, ensure that contacts is turned on. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is go over to your phone application, and then where you find all contacts or all iCloud, long press on it, and then you're going to see the export button. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to ask you everything that you can go ahead and export. We're going to press this check mark, and then we have an all contacts contact card. So now what we want to do is save it to the Google Drive, but we want to save it to Drive with the exact same account that's going to be your main account on your new Android or Samsung phone. And once you basically save it and everything, whenever you're setting up your new phone, you can import your contacts from your Google Drive, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.